Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M31s, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. Just a couple of minutes ago I set my face recognition here, and now I'll just check if I'm sitting in a good position. Yeah, so now I'll just make a couple of tries, for example 5, and we'll see all the difference between each of try, and we'll see how fast the face recognition feature is on this device, and if this feature just useful. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as can you see, the face recognition feature is really fast here on our Samsung Galaxy. So I think that's just I can unlock my device less than in just 1 second, I think. So as can you see, that's work really fast. And if you like some methods, unlock methods like the face recognition, I think you can try and to use this feature on the Samsung Galaxy M31s. So thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.